Okay guys, so for your first class, you guys learned 3 things. You learned Namaste, you learned how to backstep, and you also learned how to spin. And I guess the 4th thing would be to spot. So the first thing we're going to go over is Namaste. You start in first position. Notice how Ishana's fingers are placed. Her thumb and her index finger are together. Her fingers are very straight. Both of their elbows are very aligned with one another, as well as their posture, and their head is very straight. First step is your right hand and left hand follow each other to the right with your right foot stepping out. The same thing for the left side. Right hand and left hand follow each other with your left foot stepping out. Then you're going to spin to your right with your left foot taking the lead and your hands coming around you till they're back in first place. Then you're going to reach back to your left, pull down to the floor with your back knee going on the floor first, then your front knee coming on the floor second. Right hand goes to your head, left hand goes to your heart. Then you come back up, bringing it all up together. Hands go in a hand washing motion, and they come together down the middle, and then they deliver out, and your head bows. So that was Namaste. Now we're going to go back into first position. Now hands on our waist, and we're going to do the pull step. Now we explained to you pull step in class was like you're pulling something towards you. So while normally you would be doing the back step with your hands on your waist, we're going to show you how to do it with your hands on your waist first. Then we'll show you an easy way for you to get it. Starting with your hands on your waist, you're going to step back on your right foot and bring your left knee up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay, now we're going to do the pulling motion. Ishana's going to pull something down towards her side. L'Oreal is going to pull something forward towards her. 5, 6, 7, 8, and pull, 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 pull. Perfect. That is the pull step motion. Then you can also switch sides, where your left foot goes back and your right knee comes up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, 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 back. Perfect. All right, this next thing you learned was spotting. So as they're turning, you're going to notice that their head is going to be fixed on one object, straight ahead of them. As they're turning, you can see that their eyes are still fixed on that object. When they can't go anymore, their head flicks around, and then they come back around. So L'Oreal is going to do it one more time, showing how her head flicks around. 1, 2, 3, flick, back, around. Perfect. Next step is to learn how to spin while incorporating the spotting. Hands go out in an L with your left hand to the side, your right hand to the front. Right foot comes crossed around to the front. You turn going on your tiptoes as your hand pulls in to first position, and then you're going to use your left heel to push back around to the front. And land with both feet next to each other. 5, 6, 7, 8, out, spin. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, spin. Perfect.